Hey guys, welcome to our channel. I'm Yuki, the trainer from JEGA. In today's video, we are going to talk about this cabinet edit features. You can use this one to trim the shape you create from the left side, this part, on a cabinet. So let's create a rectangle first. I can draw a rectangle on here, then use cabinet trim. Select here, press space key. Now you can see this column. You can specify the height of the stretch or just simple left click to cut through this one. Or you can also draw a rectangle on the side panel. And then to use cabinet trim to trim through at this part. So this is for the cabinet trim. If you would like to use the smart patch, you can use this one to set a filler for the gap or the bevel part. Like for here, you select the rectangle, use smart patch. Then you can see press X to fill the bevel and Q to fill gap. Or you can also directly press the space key to fill the gap. Like this. If you are not directly press it, select this one, smart patch. You can also press the Q. Then you can input all the details in here, just apply it. To fill the bevel, let's create one first. Now select this triangle, smart patch. Then to input the X, then you can see this kind of filler. Just check all this detail and apply it. Now you will get this type of filler and also fill the bevel part. This is all for this video. Bye!